never to touch you, 'cause I know that you feel me somehow. You're the closest to heaven that I'll ever be, and I don't wanna go home right now. And all I could taste is this moment, and all I can breathe is your life. And sooner or later it's over, I just don't wanna miss you tonight. And I don't want the world to see me, 'cause I don't think that they'd understand. When everything's made to be broken, I just want you to know who I am. And you can't fight the tears that ain't coming, all the moment of truth in your lies. When everything feels like the movies, yeah, you bleed just to know you're alive. And I don't want the world to see me, 'cause I don't think they'd understand. When everything's made to be broken, I just want you to know who I am.
Mula po sa Land of Waterman, Aidan!
Ay, sorry po. Nakamali ako sa mga her at mga maton. Ano ba? Ano ba? Ako si Willie. Electrician, di ba?
Ito, project engineer.
Good evening. Ako si Ronald, dating emperor, pero ngayon kasi nag-uprising dun eh. Pero isa lang sabihin, just as I have foreseen, as many of you have foreseen,
Ano daw? Asawa mo yan!
Christmas is coming to town.
Mamatas si Anthony, isang electrician. You can call me Tuning Kalikot. Sa tawag lang, kakalikutin ko kayo.
isa po akong clown. This version was brought to you by Sunday Light. No colors.
Sige siya.
Ako sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Debbie, ang metrate ng FCB.
Miss Baby and Mr.
Hi, I'm Baby. Ako po ay isang farmer.
na naka-Nike shoes at naka-plancha ang buhok. Asan yung isa magkasaka? Oh, Heidi. Come here, girl.